To gain access to the core of the pump is also simple. First, ensure the electricity supply is off, as you are about to expose mains cables. Undo and remove the nuts and bolts in each corner of the casting, making sure you keep them safely to one side. If the case doesn't separate easily, and it might not, there is a slot designed into one corner specifically to assist you in opening the case. Just slide a flat-bladed screwdriver into the slot and use it to help prise the top up. You should now be able to carefully lift the top casting away from the base, tipping it backwards so you don't pull on the cables too much. Lift off the ring of acoustic padding and set it aside. There is a cable, or depending on the model of pump there might be more than one cable, so if you wish, slide the mains cable free of the lid so you can get better access to the base. Undo the 4 Phillips screws holding the cover to the core unit. You now have access to the drive unit. From here we can now go on to service various internal parts of the pump. It's worth mentioning that some of the larger EL pumps do not have this cover to help with internal cooling. So if you don't see it, it's not been forgotten, it's not there for a reason.